Hey guys, Carlos from realteesfishing.com. Today we have a quick video. I'm just demonstrating something that I saw that I really thought was impressive, right? And ingenious design, right? These little wrenches, they're 3D printed. They're made by a veteran here in the States, and they come in a bunch of sizes, right? Depending on what fuel filter you have on your outboard. So these are, like I said, 3D printed. They don't rust. I'm gonna see if they float, throw them in the water, see if they float. That'll be great. But these are designed to keep on your boat so that you could change your filter without having to use channel locks or whatnot, or you could destroy the actual plastic housing. They get brittle over time, so this is just amazing. Keep it on the boat. Get yourself some. I'm gonna put a link down below. All right, let's see if this is fuel proof. Let's add some gasoline. And let's throw in the wrench. Just sit it in there. And we'll come back in 5 minutes. See if it holds up. Alright guys, so it's been like it's been like 5 minutes. Right? Obviously if you're using this, you're not gonna have it sitting in fuel, but yeah, it doesn't look like it degraded any. See if we can. There's no degradation. It didn't get brittle. Pretty cool how 3D printing is able to hold up the fuel. So that's good. And it floats. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. I thought it was worth making a little video on it. Super easy design, 3D printed. And I'll put the link down below so you can go ahead and contact him, get yourself one. I know he's in the transition phase of building his website. So yeah, veteran owned. Go support him.